Hello guys, today is laundry day and I'm going to show you how to correctly wash the white clothes. First of all, you select the white clothes and we shall use some detergent, some bleaching agent, and that is our load of white clothes. You sort out and take only white clothes because I'm going to use a bleaching agent, and that is our small load of the white clothes, and we're going to use a washing machine. I'll show you how to do it in a moment. So after sorting it out, now it's time to take it to the washer. So here is our dirty laundry already sorted, and here is our washing machine that we're going to use. So let's go ahead and put these clothes inside the washing machine. So open the lid like this. I've not removed the sealing paper because I don't want it to get some scratches. I want it to remain as new as long as possible. There is our machine. You can see it is empty, and therefore we take our clothes one after the other and you put it inside the machine. There is our load that we're going to wash. The next step, you open this soap tub, the soap dish of the machine, and we're going to insert the washing powder on this side, and this other side is for the bleaching agent. So let's go ahead and put it. So for this load, I'm going to put 3 scoops of soap. I normally use a table teaspoon dedicated for this job. I'll put 3 of them for this load. That is 1, that is 2, and finally the last one. So that is our powder soap that we're going to use. Now I'm going to use the bleaching agent and I'm going to put on this next slot here. This is my bleaching agent from the Jik company. You can use any other bleaching agent from any company. And for this load, I'm going to measure using this, the lid to the Jik container. I'll put 2 of them are enough. Like that. And then you close the soap dish and close the washer lid. And then for the settings, because our load contains soft clothes, we are going to select the program for soft or normal wash. Soft or normal wash. And since our load is small, up to the quarter of the drum, we are just going to put level 2 of the water. And let's do it. First of all, switch the machine on and then go to the program, and you can put either normal or soft, but for me I'll put normal because I want them to be super clean. And then after that, we go and select the rinse cycle. How many times do you want to rinse? I'll just do it once. So I'll select until it clicks once without water cycle, and that is it, just once without the water cycle. And then I'm going to wash, rinse, and then spin. That is okay with me. And then for the water level, I'm going to select to 1 and 2. Therefore, you click start, and our water starts getting into the drum for the washing. So that's how we set for the load use and cleaning it using the detergent and the bleaching agent. And let's give it some time because it will take up to 42 minutes in cleaning. So let's come back after 42 minutes. Our clothes have finished washing and they're clean. Let's check how. There is our laundry, white and clean. And that's how we clean our white laundry using the bleach and some washing powder. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not, and let's meet in the next video.